Here's how you can access another Facebook account. If you currently have one account but need to log into a different one, whatever to switch back and forth between the two, I'll guide you through the process. The simplest way is to use the Facebook app, and let's begin. Open the Facebook app and ensure you are logged into your current account. If you want to switch to a different account, tap on the three lines icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the very bottom of the menu and select Log Out. Confirm the logout action. You will be taken to the login screen. At the bottom of the login screen, you will see an option that says Log into another account. Tap on that. And now you just need to enter the username or email address and password of the account you want to log into. You can use autofill for convenience. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked for a login code. If so, you will receive a code via text message that you will need to enter to proceed. After entering the login code, if required, you will be logged into the other account seamlessly. To switch back to your original account or between multiple accounts, simply repeat the process of logging out and logging into the desired account. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.